Okay, welcome to day 3. We're halfway there. In this video, I wanted to show you some examples of some past students' posts that really got a lot of good traction on the text post or the story post. And so here, again, this video, she's talking about her struggles and how she overcame them to achieve what she wanted to achieve. And then you can see she's got over 25 people commenting about her personal struggle. Okay, and then you can see she's got pictures of herself actually there with that. So I wanted to share that one with you, and there is another student that actually did a really good one as well. I want to share. Let me see if I can find it. This one we actually saw earlier in the week, but it for I think engagement. No, we didn't see this for engagement, but this one here shares too about her struggle being an older mother. We saw this one, actually we did see this one early in our week for engagement. She actually got a lot of comments on it, but this was her struggle also as well. So I thought this was a really good example for you guys to see a struggle post, and you can see, you know, she's got 36 plus comments about that. People will comment. You know, the main thing that you want to remember when you put yours together is you want to have, keep it real simple. Don't overthink it. Don't overwork it. You want to have a simple, catchy headline. Hers is older mothers, yes or no. You want to have the body of your text, which is here. You want to do some spacing. So what I would have done here, which I believe I commented to her, is, you know, she's got her 2 sentences. I would have probably put 2 spaces here versus 1 space. It'll just make it easier to read. And then you put your call to action at the end. What are your thoughts? Question mark. Older moms, yes or no? How old is too old? And then, you know, obviously you see at the bottom all the responses that she got on that. So great job for just even getting it out there. The main thing you want to do is not focus so much, not think so hard. Don't make it harder than what it actually is. Just you know, share your story. Let people in on a little bit about who you are and make it relatable. You know, talk about something that's relatable, so that way you'll have more people that will be likely to follow you. So I hope that puts a little bit more clarity on today's homework assignment. Remember to post it in the comments in this group, not on your page just yet, in this group below. If you're feeling bold enough after you do it, then you can definitely post it on your own profile page, but post it here in a group first. So if I need to give you some comments or some pointers to help you a little bit more, I'd be glad to do so. So I hope that helps, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4.